you're in the older Gen Z generation. You wouldn't understand.
Girl, are you roasting me for no reason?
Yes.
Girl.
It's not for no reason. Like, you wouldn't understand. At my best self, like, for wellness reasons. Like, I'm eating good, I'm tan, like, I'm happy. Like, that's when I love living, like, at that swimsuit lifestyle, you know?
No, I love that, because when I was saying it's giving every single time. I love living that swimsuit lifestyle is what you just finished saying. I don't have words. What speaks to you?
I don't know, because I like a lot of things.
Like what?
I love getting ready with me videos. I like cleaning videos. I like seeing, like, the wellness girl videos and the Pilates and the yoga, and I love seeing, like, fitness girlies and, like, their routines. I like eating videos, like
What's an eating video?
Like, food reviews, I guess, or, like, healthy recipes.
What is, like, if you opened up your app right now, and saw this food being made, you'd be like, yep, I'm following this account right now.
Like, blueberry matcha, or, like, my best friend, she sent me a video about cherry matcha, like, how to make cherry matcha.
Oh my goodness. And what steps would need to be, like, visualized for you to be compelled?
Just making it look vibrant and appetizing. Like, they make it look so good. It's, like, colorful. Like, videos that are just real and authentic. Like, I have a board. Let me show you my board. It's called Happy Moments. It's everything that makes me happy and make me want to live life.
Oh.
Let me share.
Wait, that's so sweet.
Like, it's my favorite board. Hold on. It's my favorite board ever. It's everything that makes me feel good. All the good moments.
Wow.
Hold on. It's called Happy Moments.
Ooh.
So, like, the only thing BS I need is bikini and sandals. And just, like, good food like that.
The
like
good
Shirley
fruits.
Temple.
Ooh,
Shirley
the
Temple.
maraschino cherries. That's the good food.
Want to come for a drive. Like that. And I love guac. Like, roasting marshmallows. Like, having, like, dinners like this with friends on the lake. Like, at the beach. Like, caramel apples. Cliffs, like, jumping. Like, doing, like, fun activities like that.
Were those apple cider donuts?
Dancing. Like, pillow forts. Like, things that make me feel so happy. Like, the Panera Bread stuff.
Yes.
Being lifted off the ground during a hug. That's one of my favorite things ever.
You know what? Just the simple things in life. They're documenting it. I love this. This is perfect. Ethereal. A beautiful word. Delicate.
Yes, like,
and light.
Like,
in a way.
this is my favorite thing to do.
Just document a few things.
I like this. This is one of my favorite. Like, this is one of my favorite quotes.
Mm-hmm.
Shirley Temples are my favorite things. This is, like, I like feeling like this. Like, this is my favorite movie ever.
Oh, the Cinderella.
Yes, I love, my favorite holiday is 4th of July. Like, I love 4th of July. I like being at the beach. I like poppies. Ice baths are fun.
Ice baths? What did you just say?
Yeah, I love ice baths.
In what?
So, like, Arizona.
Girl, what? You like ice baths? What do you like about ice baths?
Sunset photos. It makes me feel good. Like, the rush of, like, I don't know. You can tell, like, these are all the happy moments. I like Trader Joe's runs. Tubing is one of my favorite things. the ocean, just traveling.
Wait, do you
Like-
have a folder for... Oh, whoa. That turned into something different. What is that?
No, I like
That turned into...
stained glass. Stained
Oh.
glass is really pretty.
Okay,
Mac
tea.
and cheese. This is like one of my favorite things ever.
You know what? Yeah, that was Annie's mac and cheese, it looked like.
Yes.
Dang.
I like these kind of nights, like cooking with friends and like listening to music. Like, do you kind of get the gist?
I'm getting
Like,
the
those
vibe.
are all the happy, like, that's when I feel the most happy. So I, like, documented it in a Pinterest board, and I put all of my favorite things in there.
It makes total sense. I love it.
Why are you laughing?
Because your version of your own unique style of documentation is so unique to explore. I'm saying unique a lot, but I appreciate you sharing your way of documenting things in Pinterest, because I used to use Pinterest and I don't use it anymore. I'm sure if I opened it up, it would be like everything from 2014, like bacon cupcakes.
Girl, no. Pinterest is my life. Like, I think the reason why I'm the person who I am today is because of Pinterest.
Whoa.
Not solely just on Pinterest, but like a huge factor. Okay, enough about me. Enough about me, like, what about you? Like,
What about me?
I mean, I guess you already told me your next step, so never mind.
Yeah, exactly. No need to further address, but you're gonna roll up to... Are you wearing cowboy boots or cowgirl boots?
Yeah, I'm wearing cowboy boots.
Of course. Oh, that's so cute.
The hair?
Yes. What earrings are you gonna wear?
I don't know yet.
Yes, figure that out. Yes, 100%. Only that necklace, but then like the...
Actually, I don't think I'll wear this necklace. It's too much clash with...
Why? Let me see.
And there's too much clash with,
The shirt?
yeah.
No, I disagree. But it's up to you. No, I really do. What color are the cowgirl boots?
They're black.
I mean, is there like a black complement in the necklace somewhere? If you had white boots, that would be perfect though, that necklace.
Yeah, but I'm not that rich right now.
One
I'm
day.
broke, girl. I'm broke.
If you could have a pair of white boots from any company, which company would you want it from?
Tacovas.
Tell me about them.
They're like a famous boot brand. They're kind of expensive. Tacovas or Lucchese's. Lucchese's are even more expensive than Tacovas, but Tacovas are pretty expensive already. But they're really nice, good leather boots that last for a long time.
Okay, that's perfect. Oh my gosh, that little necklace is perfect.
Let me show you.
Yes. Yeah.
Should I untuck that?
Untuck 100%. That needs to be untucked the whole. That's the reason for the shirt is to be the whole like flauncy part of it. I don't know. It looks perfect. Oh, wait, Catherine, I must tell you.
What?
I've been filming my photo booth on my laptop and screen recording for the last 17 minutes, and I have so much good footage.
Of me?
Yes, and I'm